Menu engineering is one of the important topics to understand within food production department. It is important to understand menu engineering because menu engineering is a sales and menu analysis tool which identifies popularity and contribution of a menu item. The primary goal of menu engineering is to maximize a firm's profitability, to subconsciously encourage customer to buy what you want them to buy and discourage them to purchase those items that you don't want them to buy. It also supports in making pricing decisions and modifying recipe design. It's one of the unique tools for controlling food costs in an organization. Menu engineering involves the methodological selection, costing, pricing, and evaluation of the item in the respective menu. It plays an essential role in menu planning, recipe designing, and customer pricing decision. When menu engineering calculation is done on the basis of sales of a food item and its contribution margin, it is then subgrouped or subdivided or grouped down into a different category. That category are represented as or named as dog, puzzle, star, and plough horse. These are on the basis of the popularity of menu and the profit earned through a menu item. It is represented in the graphical chart, and therefore the graphical chart is known as menu engineering grid. The menu engineering methodology is designed to categorize dishes into good and bad performers. This is a technique of menu analysis that uses two key factors of performance in the sales of individual menu item. That is the popularity and the profit contribution of each item. There, the stars are known as high popularity and high contribution margin item. The Plough Horse, high popularity and low contribution margin. The puzzle, low popularity and high contribution. Whereas the dog, low popularity with low contribution margin. Menu engineering worksheet is an Excel sheet with different headings that is used to calculate total sales and the contribution margin made by the menu over a period of time. And on the basis of the sales and contribution margin, the menu is divided into different categories that we have seen in a menu engineering grid already. Let's talk about stars. For those dishes with high popularity and high contribution, what decision do we need to make? The decision could be, we have to do nothing, we have to modify price slightly up or down, we need to promote through personal selling or menu positioning, and we need to ensure that specification and quality standards are maintained. In case of Plough Horse, where the dishes with high popularity and low contribution margin are placed, we can do nothing or increase the price or reduce the dish cost by modifying recipe using cheaper commodities or reducing the portion size. We can relocate the item to the lower focal point of the menu. We can increase the contribution margin by making it a combo with high contribution margin item, or we can make sure that there is no loss through wastage, spoilage, pilferages of such food items as these are high in food costs. In case of puzzle, or let's say the dishes with low popularity and high contribution margin, we can reposition the item on the menu card and feature it more promptly on the menu. We can reduce the price, promote through personal selling, rename the dish and change presentations, give it a special status, or remove from the menu. And finally, for the dog, if dishes with low popularity and low contribution margin are there to decide or to make some decision for, then we can go and increase the prices of items and raise the status to puzzle. Or we can try and upsell the item. If the items are new on the menu, we need to check the amount of the time it has been there and accordingly improve the particular dish. Or we can just remove the dish from the menu. Thank you.